If you think your Facebook account is still logged in on an old phone, someone else's device, or any computer you no longer use, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to log out of all devices on Facebook quickly and easily using your phone or computer. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to TechWatch. First, open the Facebook app if you haven't already. Now, tap the menu icon. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Next, scroll until you find Account Center. Tap Password and Security. Select where you are logged in. Here you will see a list of all devices where your Facebook account is currently logged in. To remove access from other devices, tap Select Device to log out or log out of all settings. Confirm your choice. Facebook will immediately sign in your account out from the selected device. For better protection, change your Facebook password if you notice an unfamiliar login. Turn on two-factor authentication. Regularly check your login activity to keep your account secure. And that's it. That's how you can log out of all devices on Facebook and keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.